Hello my friend, welcome to the other video where we will talk about the difference between marry and marry. Marry and marry. So, marry vo význame vydať sa, oženiť sa. So, to become legally accepted husband or wife. They married when they were very young. When did Roger ask you to marry him? Kedy ťa Roger požiadal, aby si ho vzala? Men tend to marry later than women. Čiže muži majú tendenciu, že sa budú ženiť neskôr ako ženy. Paul married Lucy 4 years ago. They don't have any plans to marry at present. And right now the word marry, ako veselý, so happy or showing enjoyment, slightly drunk. Byť taký veselý, možno v takej trošku podnapitý, slightly drunk. Merry Christmas, Merry Laughter. Are people merry when they drink a lot of wine? Sú veselí, keď vypijú troška alebo veľa vína? You were a bit merry last night, weren't you? Bol si troška v takej povznesenej nálade minulú noc však. OK, takže to boli slovíčka marry ako vydať sa, oženiť sa a marry ako veselý. Hej, pozor na ten spelling, jedno slovíčko je s písmenom A a druhé s písmenom E. So, thank you very much for watching this video and see you next time. Bye bye.